Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure session management with Auth0 in mobile apps, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what session management is and why it's essential in mobile applications. Session management enables secure and efficient user authentication and authorization. Begin by creating an Auth0 account if you haven't done so already. Log into the Auth0 dashboard and navigate to the Applications section. Click on the Create Application button to set up a new application. Select the appropriate application type, typically native for mobile apps, and give it a name. Once created, note down your domain, client ID, and client secret from the application settings. Next, go to the API section in the Auth0 dashboard. Create a new API and set the identifier, which will serve as the audience parameter during. Now, choose the appropriate signing algorithm, usually RS-256 for secure token signing. Open your mobile app project and integrate the Auth0 SDK for your platform, such as Android or iOS. Follow the setup instructions for the SDK, ensuring all necessary permissions are granted. Incorporate login, logout, and session handling features using the SDK documentation as a guide. Implement the authentication flow to initiate the login process when, upon successful user authentication, retrieve the access token and ID token provided by Auth0. Store these tokens securely on the device, using options like secure storage or keychain. For API requests, include the access token in the authorization header to authenticate your calls. Handle token expiration gracefully by implementing a refresh token mechanism if needed. Incorporate error handling to manage authentication failures effectively. Lastly, ensure that your app complies with security best practices, such as session timeout and logout capabilities. Test your implementation thoroughly to confirm that session management aligns with user experience and security standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.